If you're looking for an HDMI cable that delivers true 4K UHD resolution, this one stands out. Supporting 3840 by 2160 at 24 Hz, it ensures your visuals are sharp and vibrant. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or watching movies, you get a crystal clear picture every time. Beyond just resolution, this cable supports 3D video and advanced color features like x.v.Color and deep color up to 16 bits per channel, totaling 48 bits. That means richer, more lifelike colors that bring your content to life in ways standard cables can't match. Sound quality matters just as much as picture, and this cable doesn't disappoint. It includes audio return channel and HDMI Ethernet channel support, plus high-definition multi-channel audio formats like DTS-HD Master Audio and Dolby TrueHD. Your audio experience will be immersive and full-bodied. One of the best parts? This cable comes in a generous 75-foot length, perfect for setups where distance matters. A user who purchased it for their HTC Vive noted zero visible latency, which is crucial for VR and gaming performance. The length doesn't sacrifice quality or speed. The cable's build feels solid and reinforced, thick and rigid enough to suggest durability. This means less worry about damage or signal loss over time. It's designed to handle the demands of heavy use without faltering. While shipping might have its hiccups, one buyer mentioned less than ideal UPS service, the product itself performs flawlessly. That's a small trade-off for such dependable performance, especially when the cable exceeds expectations in both length and quality. If you want a cable that supports top-tier video and audio standards without compromise, this 75-foot HDMI cable is worth a look. It's a practical choice for anyone serious about their home theater, gaming, or VR setup. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your connection and enjoy the full potential of 4K UHD and immersive sound. This cable delivers what you need for a seamless, high-quality experience. No shortcuts, just solid performance.